Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. So today's reading, this is going to be your love reading update for the month of January. Whenever you see it, actually, okay, in the month of January, I'm not going to assign any date because whenever we need guidance from spirit guides, we just need it. So let us get started without any delay. So guess what? Today we are going to start first with your person's, your love interest energy towards you. Okay, so what is the energy that they are in? Please show us clearly what is the energy of my Sagittarius's person. How are they feeling towards my Sagittarius? Thank you very much. So this is how your person is thinking about you. Okay, look at this. Four of Wands. Somebody wants to get married to you. Somebody thinks that you are their soulmate. Somebody sees this connection, whichever situationship you are in right now, because the sense that I'm getting is that for most of you it might just be in the stage of situationship. You both are looking at each other, stalking each other's social media, asking each other's friends about yourselves, talking to the mutual friends, and you're doing things. So basically what this means is that you both are in each other's energy, and you both know that you both like each other, are interested in each other. But right now what has been revealed about your person is that they are seeing this marital relationship possible with you, long term possible with you. They see a happy home possible with you. They can basically picture yourselves and themselves as husband and wife. That is what this simply means. Excuse me. Okay, might be a bit better, and I don't want to feel cold while I'm doing my reading. So yeah, let me not shuffle because we are still asking about your person's energy. Okay, so wow, your person is all passionate about you, and your person is a very very successful but a passionate individual. Okay, so King of Wands, somebody who works really well, because whatever they do in life, they do it very efficiently, they do it with their heart and soul. They don't leave any stone unturned. And yes, this person is also in some sort of leadership positioning wherever they are working, whatever they do. This person might be somebody who's handling their own business, or even if they are working, then they have to be in high authority position, because king is the person of authority. Okay, so that is also there. And King of Wands, because this king is the King of Wands, we can also say that because this is the energy of your person towards you, it means that this person not just have that feeling of responsibility and emotional investment upon you, but they are also fiery towards you. They are thinking about you, they are fantasizing, they are highly attracted. They are attracted by the way you look physically as well. Okay, so that's a very good thing. So King of Swords, wow, your person is really majestic, your person is all sophisticated, is the sense that I'm getting. The person whom you are thinking about right now has to be a very very, has to be some sort of a socialite, has to be the person of authority, has to be somebody who's good with language. When they speak, it is like, the art that is flowing out of their mouth. Every sentence that they speak is very impactful. King of Swords, wow. Somebody good with words as well, so very virtuous person. Okay, what else? And the Emperor, I was getting this vibe from the beginning that this person has to be, for some of you, because Emperor has come, this person has to be your boss. For many of you, has to be your boss. Even if not exactly your boss, then this person must be some sort of entrepreneur, but somebody very very passionate about anything that they do in life. When it comes to love relation, all that they want is a stable long term relationship and nothing less. Okay, that is what they want. And yeah, they are very passionate, they are very outspoken, they are authoritative, they want stability, and they are thinking about you. Wow. Okay, so now I want to know, what is your energy? Do you even know about all these things or not? Okay, what is the energy of my Sagittarius friends? Please help me find out the energy of my Sagittarius friends. Help me find out the energy of my Sagittarius friends who are with me right now. Wow, I'm excited. Ooh, movement forward. Movement forward. Your energy. So you definitely want things to move forward with this person, right? But at the same time, you have already started something which you want to complete, okay, which you don't want to let go of. It could be related to your work, but for many of you, for some reason today, I feel like it is related to your studies. It seems like you also want, definitely you want this person, you are praying for this person to be in your destiny. You know that this person is the I'm so sorry, puzzle piece which is missing in your life, and you want them to just fall into your destiny and complete the picture, right? So wheel of fortune is here, that is what you are desiring, but at the same time you are concerned regarding something which you have not accomplished yet, but which you have already started. It could be studies for many of you. You want to complete your studies, or you want to complete some sort of project, or you have a dream, or you could be writing a book which you want to complete before marriage, or um, you have been dreaming of something which you want to present to your parents, which you want to accomplish before you get married, before you become involved with this person in a long term relationship, is the sense that I'm getting. Take it as it resonates, okay? I'm saying whatever I'm seeing. And also two of wands, yes, so that is why you are trying to create that balance, okay? You are not giving your entire time to this person because you don't want to let go of that other aspect, whatever it is, okay, that you're doing, which you simply cannot let go of. It is something related to your ethics, it is something related to your promise which you have made either to one of your family members or to yourself, or a very well nurtured dream of yours which you don't want to give up on. So you're trying to maintain that balance between this relationship, your investment upon this person, and the ongoing thing, whatever you are doing, okay? Sagittarius, take it as it resonates to you, okay? So why are you both not speaking then until now? Why are they both not speaking? Because that is the sense that I'm getting. You both are not speaking right now. Why are they not speaking, please? Why are you both not speaking? So here's the answer. Magician, probably universe is asking you to work upon your art of manifestation, be the manifester. Probably you have been feeding your mind with the negative thoughts, like no, there's no way. Yes, and additionally this person has to be somebody very prominent. Two king cards and the emperor card as well for this person. Very powerful, very impactful, very handsome, very sophisticated. I'm getting the male vision mostly because these are all kings, and the emperor is also a male card. But even if she's a female, if you are a gentleman who's watching this, then your person has to be an absolute queen, an absolute goddess, who's beautiful, who's sophisticated, who's good with words, who's passionate about whatever they do, and who you envision as somebody who's capable of creating that happy home, and who's emperor like, when very bossy as well at times when needed. So whatever the scenario is, the universe is calling you to tap onto your magician energy, the manifester that you are. You are supposed to bring that out, bring that character out in you, and you are supposed to work upon the positive affirmation, upon the vision boards. You are supposed to basically feed your subconscious mind with the positive thinking, so that whatever you have been desiring can actually happen. If you have been wanting to talk to this person, if you have been desiring back and forth text messages with this person, then you are supposed to do certain things. If you don't want to be the first person to text message, for example, you should be giving such vibe to this person through some of your subtle actions, that you are ready to speak to them, okay, so that they can also feel comfortable opening up communication with you. So basically manifest whatever you want, because you don't have to fear anything. Also, additionally, what this card is telling you, what spirit guides are trying to tell you through this card is that you don't have to fear. Just be the fearless manifester, because your person is all invested on you. Look what they want from you. They want this Four of Wands with you, Sagittarius. Okay, so yes, you are not able to manifest the communication because you are not somewhere, to some extent, maybe unknowingly, but you are feeding your mind that this is never going to happen, this person is too good to be true for me, is what you are thinking. But then it is not. You can manifest, you can have a positive manipulative effect upon this situation by doing certain things to attract that abundance towards you. So start working on that, Sagittarius. Okay, so let us look for other outcomes in this situationship. The outcome, okay, if you do not nurture your manifestor self, then probably you are going to feel like your hands are tied. Okay, so don't let that happen. Basically, yes, take help from your friends, communicate. If there are mutual friends whose help you can take, then you should be taking that. Okay, and also have a lot of patience. Okay, I think I'm going to end this reading with this card. So basically what spirit guides are trying to tell you is that have patience, everything will come around. But then don't never ever feel like your hands are tied, because your hands are actually not tied. You are the magician, you have all the tools to manifest this connection, this person into your life. So start working on that. Basically, the loudest thing that I'm hearing right now is the positive affirmation. You should be working on that. Have a diary, write down all the things that you want to manifest in your life, and write down the journals in such a way that this person is already in your life. You two are already spouses and you are having a fantastic life together. So if you keep on writing like that, if you have a vision board, if you have positive affirmation every day, then definitely you'll be able to manifest. Additionally, friends might have a little bit of a role, or family, or the circle of colleagues who know you both might have a role to play. They could help you in some manner. Think about it. If that is possible, then that has also come out as the outcome. And also, temperance means reconciliation will definitely happen. Probably in the past you used to talk a little bit, but then that communication has also died recently due to some reason. But that everything will come around. 2021 is going to bring about a lot of good turn of events when it comes to this connection between you two. So have temperance and believe that it will happen. Okay, so that is the message for you, my Sagittarius friends. I hope it helps and resonates. If it does, please support me with a like and a subscription. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for your time. I'm very grateful. I love you all so much. Bye everyone.